Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at a very special place. Can you guess where I am now? It's actually the little Japan of Singapore. And why do I say that? Because there are a lot of shops. There is a Japanese branding. Let's check it out. The first impression, you look at the second floor, there are lots of windows. I wonder what they're for, and lots of people here. It's very crowded and selling some Chinese New Year stuff right here. Look at the architecture, it's really, really special, and it goes all the way to the end where there's a hawker center or something. There's even a China restaurant here. Now this baker talent has a Japanese word, the 达人 on top, that one. There's a food court here and a shop called the Man Dai King. There's some more Japanese ninja. There's a wide variety of shops here, from the new studio, the Bengawan Salo, and much more. Look at the roof. There's a rooftop, right? In most of the malls, you don't have this kind of like special concept. Haircut only $5. Another salon here, $6 for haircut. It's amazing, man. So there are 3 shops, barber shops for the haircut, $6 again. Who will have guessed there's a Subway here? And lots of mama shops selling the clothes, you know. That very traditional 1980s kind of feel here. King Sun department store. We have arrived at the end of the shopping street. There's a UOB Bank, but that's not all to it. I heard there's a hawker center nearby at block 29. This is block 28, so let's explore. Alright, we have arrived block 29, Bendemeer Hawker Center. Indonesia cuisine. Now I see that 50% of the stores are closed right now, but there are still lots of stores open. There's a queue here for some food. There's a chicken rice. The famous Hua Heng Hokkien Mee has just closed with the prawn noodle and the video. There's a wheat at the corner. Another chicken rice here. Well, my new hobbies will be to explore the HDB areas we have not been to. Let's go to level 22 and see if we get a good view of Singapore. Wow, this is the tallest level 22. Well, this is the best you can get. You can see the Manam Park of Marina Bay Sands from here, right? Let's check out level 2 from here. So, number 1. You know, I have an uncanny feeling about this side level 2. It seems it's very, very quiet. There's nobody here. Wow. There's a hospital bed here. It's scared the whiz out of me. Wheelchairs, exercise machines. Wait. There seems to be an uncle there, is it? Hello, uncle. How are you doing here? Hello, how are you? Oh, it's a mannequin, man. But there's something sticking out the nose here. Wow. I think I won't stay in here. I'll just get out here first. Let's run out here, man. There's a nice super here. So this ends my tour of this Bendemeer Shopping Mall. I think it's a good mall and very neighborly mall, and you know the location is just next to the MRT Boon Keng along the Northeast Line. Station number 9 is just so convenient. The blocks here, HDB, are very colorful. The blue color, my favorite color. Block 34 and 33. There's even McDonald's. So do drop by, especially if you like to have a cheap haircut. It's just $6. There are 3 shops. And then there are bakeries, And also hawker center at the corner at block 29, you won't regret, right? So yeah, take care everyone. I'll see you guys in my next video. And bye bye.